Washing your hair regularly ensures that your scalp and hair is free of dirt and excess oil. However, the right frequency depends on your hair type and personal preferences. If you have extremely dry hair, limit your washing to twice a week. If you have an oily scalp, washing your hair on alternate days can help. You really can't control all the environmental factors that damage your hair, but what you can control is the kind of shampoos you use. Lesser the number of chemicals in your shampoo, healthier your hair. Go for gentle shampoos that suit your hair type. Sulfates and parabens in shampoos are used for lathering and preserving respectively, but they can cause skin irritation over time and increase the risk of hormonal disruptions. Condition correctly. Your conditioner contains ingredients that make the hair fall straight and manageable. It protects your hair from environmental aggressors and heat styling. However, it should be applied only on the tips of the hair and not on your scalp. Also, make sure to rinse it off thoroughly post-application. Dry your hair naturally. We know, blow drying makes your hair as beautiful as that of your on-screen idol. But excessive heat styling can damage your hair scalp. Limit it to important events, if you have to style. Air drying or towel drying after shampoo is the best way to go. Never sleep in wet hair or comb wet hair. Harsh rubbing with a towel can damage the cuticle of your hair. Be gentle. Oil your hair properly. Pre-shampoo treatments like oiling and massaging improve blood circulation on the scalp, relax your muscles, boost shine and nourish the hair. It also restores moisture content, enables hair growth and repairs split ends. You can choose from coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, castor oil and the likes. Avoid using mineral oil on your hair. Use a wide-toothed comb. Wet hair is fragile and prone to breakage. Let your hair dry and then use a wide-toothed comb to brush your hair. This kind of a comb prevents damage to your hair. Style your hair naturally. Who does not like those gorgeous curls or perfect waves? But you can achieve these without putting your hair through heat. Trim your hair regularly. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to get rid of split ends. Split ends form when the hair is damaged due to heat styling, pollution, smoking, stress and so on. Trimming does not magically make the hair grow faster. Hair growth happens at the scalp level, but trimming ensures healthy hair. Drink more water. Internal hydration coupled with external hydration is the key to well-balanced and healthy hair. You may be using hydrating hair care products and oils, but drinking at least 3 liters of water every day ensures good hair health. Eat healthy. We will go on repeating, you are what you eat, as long as we write about hair care and skin care. Your hair is made of proteins and amino acids. It needs the right nutrition to grow well and maintain itself. Eggs, berries, nuts, fish, green leafy vegetables, sweet potatoes are some of the many great foods for healthy hair. Use hair caps, hats. Just as sunlight has a damaging effect on your skin, it applies to your hair too. Harsh sun rays can remove the moisture from your hair, making it dry, brittle and damaged over the course of time. Use hats when you step out to protect your hair from this damage. Protect your hair with caps when you are in a swimming pool. Chlorinated water is bad for your hair. Use hair bands. We love to flaunt our open hair, but do use hair bands to limit the hair exposure to environmental aggressors. Use fabric hair ties instead of the plastic ones. Don't pull your hair too tight when making a ponytail or any other hairstyle. Use a hair wrap or old t-shirt to dry. This one's new. Your t-shirt can be used to dry your wet hair without causing damage to the hair. Traditional towels are rough on your hair cuticles and damage your hair over time. Save up your soft, old t-shirts from now on.